Come test drive the 2022 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.